Hi, in this video we'll be talking about operations on two numpy arrays. First, let's import the numpy module. Okay. It's easy to perform operations on two arrays. The operations are then performed on elements at the same positions in either array. Here are some examples. Let's define two arrays like so: A, B. Let's print them out. Print A, print B. Here they are. Now let's test addition. So C equals A plus B. Print C. And what we get is the result of adding these two numpy arrays. We get a numpy array where each element is the sum of the two elements at the same positions in these two numpy arrays. 2 plus 1 equals 3, 4 plus 2 equals 6, and so on. How about subtraction? Well, it generally works the same. D equals A minus B. Print D. And here we have the result. A minus B. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 4 minus 2 equals 2, and so on. Now multiplication. E equals A times B. Print E. Here's the result. 2 times 1 equals 2. 4 times 2 equals 8, and so on. Now true division. F equals A divided by B. Print F. Yeah, here all the elements are the same because these are the results of dividing the elements from A by the elements from B. 2 divided by 1 is 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 3 is 2, and so on. How about exponentiation? G equals A to the power of B. Print G. Here's the result. We can also make complex expressions with both arrays and scalars. Have a look. Print 5 times A plus B to the power of 2 minus A. The result of this is the following array. And here are some examples with multidimensional arrays. Here we have our first multidimensional array, X, and here we have our second multidimensional array, Y. Now let's print them out. Print X, print Y. Fine, here they are. And now let's print the sum of the two multidimensional arrays. So print X plus Y. So as you can see, again, the elements at the same positions are added together. 2 plus 5 is 7, 4 plus 10 is 14, and so on. How about multiplication? Print X times Y. So it works the same. 2 times 5 is 10, 4 times 10 is 40, and so on. If the arrays have different shapes, we get an error. Have a look at this. Here we have two arrays, M and N. They have different shapes. Now let's try to add them together. Print M plus N. Well, this doesn't work. Operands could not be broadcast together with shapes 4 and 2. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.